Catherine, and today I'm going to teach you how to make your very own Easter lily at home using your handprint. What you're going to need to create your Easter lily is coloured paper or card, glue or sellotape, pencil, a pair of scissors and a round pencil. So the first thing you're going to do is draw around your hand. And then you're going to cut out your handprint. So now you've got your handprint cut out, we're going to create the petals of our lily, and we are going to curl the fingers of our handprint using our round pencil, and we're going to curl them outward. So once you finish curling the fingers to create the petals, we are going to curl the handprint in on itself to create the whole lily flower. So once you're happy with how your lily looks when you've rolled it, you can put some glue on the back of the thumb and stick what would have been the little finger side to the back of it. So next we're going to make the stem, so we're going to cut out a length of green paper or card to create it. We're going to fold it in on itself a few times and stick it down. This is just to add a thickness to the stem. And when you're happy with the stem, we are going to stick it inside of the lily. So next we're going to cut out a small rectangle of yellow paper or card. So we're going to cut a fringe into our card, so lots of little lines but not going all the way through our card, like this. And then once we've cut the fringe into the card, we are going to roll it and then stick it together to create the pollen that will go inside of our lily. And then the last thing that's left to do is stick the pollen inside of the lily flower. once you're happy with your first one, you can think about maybe creating a bunch of paper lilies, so you can create different coloured ones if you like. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed making your Easter lily and that you have a whole bunch to display at home now. Thank you, bye!